Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where square root of x under square root of x is equal to 3 square root of 3, or taking a square to both sides we can write here square root of x under square root of x whole square is equal to 3 times square root of 3 whole square, or this square cancel out this square root, so it will be remaining x square root of x is equal to here 3 square times square root of 3 whole square, or x square root of x is equal to 3 square times 3, or again squaring both sides we can write here x square root of x whole square is equal to 3 square, that means 9, and 9 times 3 is equal to 27 square, or x square times square root of x whole square is equal to 27 can be written as 3 cube whole square is equal to x square times x, and x can be written as x to the power 1 is equal to 3 cube whole square, or x square times x to the power 1, that means x cube is equal to, here we can write 3 square whole cube, because a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power n whole to the power m, or x cube is equal to 3 square, that means 9, and this cube is equal to, taking this 9 cube to left side we can get x cube minus 9 cube is equal to 0, or we know a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b times a square minus a square plus ab plus b square. Apply this rule here, we can write x minus 9 times x square plus 9x plus 9 square, that means 81 is equal to 0. Now there are two cases, so we can write here x minus 9 is equal to 0, or x square plus 9x plus 81 is equal to 0, or taking this 9 to right side we will get x is equal to 9. So finally the value of x is equal to 9, and here we can apply quadratic formula, so we can write here x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 9, and c is equal to 81. So x is equal to minus 9 plus or minus square root of 9 square minus 4 times a, that means 1, times b c, that means 81 over 2 times 1 is equal to minus 9 plus or minus square root of 81 minus 4 times 1 times 81 is equal to 324 over 2, or minus 9 plus or minus, taking common 81 we can write here 1 minus 4 over 2 is equal to minus 9 plus or minus 81 square root of 81, so it will be remaining 9, and square root of negative 3 over 2 is equal to minus 9 plus or minus 9 square root of 3 times square root of negative 1 over 2 is equal to minus 9 plus or minus 9 square root of 3 I over 2. So there are two values of x, so we can write here x is equal to 9, x2 is equal to minus 9 plus 9 square root of 3 I over 2. So x2 is equal to minus 9 plus 9 square root of 3 I over 2, and x3 is equal to minus 9 square root of 3 I over 2, and this is our all values of x. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.